Hello students, welcome back to this lecture series of Information Communication Network. In previous video, I had explained introduction of this subject. In this video, we will see about amplitude shift keying. So, let's start the session. Before that, I am introducing about the today's course outline. Firstly, we see about modulation, some concepts like bit rate, bit interval, baud rate and symbol rate. Next, we will switch to amplitude shift keying, its waveforms and then advantages and disadvantages of this. And after that, some questions for you all. Firstly, we will see what is modulation. Modulation is a process of modifying any characteristic of the carrier signal with respect to information signal. This modification is also called as shift keying. I think you all know about information signal and carrier signals. Information signal is the data signal which has to be transmitted to the receiver, and the carrier signal is the signal which carries these information signals. And the various characteristics of any signals are its amplitude, its frequency and its phases. Amplitude. It is the value of the signal at different instances of time. It is measured in volts. Frequency. It is inverse of the time period, that is f is equal to 1 by t. The unit of frequency is hertz or cycles per second. Phase. It gives a measure of the relative position in time of two signals within a single period. It is represented by phi in degrees or radian. Now, before starting to the ASK, let's see some basic concepts related to digital communication. First, bit rate. It is the number of bits that are transmitted per unit of time or per second. It is measured in BPS, that is bits per second. It is equivalent to frequency of any analog signal. Bit interval. It is the time required to send one single bit. Baud rate. It refers to the number of signal or symbol changes that occur per second. Symbol rate. It is the number of symbol changes, waveform changes or signaling events across the transmission medium per time unit. The symbol rate is measured in baud or symbols per second. Finally, starting today's topic, that is amplitude shift keying. Amplitude shift keying, also abbreviated as ASK. It is a form of amplitude modulation that represents digital data as variations in the amplitude of a carrier wave. In an ASK system, the binary symbol 1 is represented by transmitting a fixed amplitude carrier wave and fixed frequency for a bit duration of t second. If the signal value is 1, then the carrier signal will be transmitted. Otherwise, a signal value of 0 will be transmitted. In other words, we can say ASK is implemented by changing the amplitude of a carrier signal to reflect amplitude levels in the digital signal. For example, a digital 1 could not affect the signal, whereas a digital 0 would, by making it 0. This diagram represents ASK modulated waveform along with its input. As you can see here, for binary 0 in our input signal, then in output modulated signal we see no signals, that is it is absent, and for binary 1 in input, then in output signal we get some amplitude, frequency and phase of the carrier signal. That's why this is also known as on-off keying. It is a special case of ASK. Bandwidth of ASK, that is defined as B is equal to 1 plus D multiplied by S, where S is equal to symbol rate or baud rate of the signal and D is the factor related to modulation and filtering whose values lies between 0 and 1. Now let's see an example. We have an available bandwidth of 100 kHz which spans from 200 to 300 kHz. What are the carrier frequency and the bit rate if we modulated our data by using ASK with D is equal to 1? Solution for this will be, here we have given B is equal to 100 kHz and the middle of the bandwidth is located at 250 kHz. This means that our carrier frequency can be at Fc is equal to 250 kHz. We can use the formula of bandwidth to find the bit rate with D is equal to 1, which is equal to 1 plus 1 multiplied by S, and this results as S is equal to 100 divided by 2, which equals to 50K. Since baud rate is 50K and here number of bits per symbol is not given, so we are assuming bit rate is equal to baud rate. So the bit rate is equal to 50 kbps. Now advantages of amplitude shift keying. It can be used to transmit digital data over optical fiber. The receiver and transmitter have a simple design which also makes it comparatively inexpensive. It uses only one frequency signal unlike of FSK. It uses lesser bandwidth as compared to FSK, thus it offers high bandwidth efficiency. Now disadvantages of ASK. It is susceptible to noise interference and entire transmission could be lost due to this, and it has low power efficiency. Some questions for you all. An analog signal has a bit rate of 8000 bps and a baud rate of 1000 baud. How many data elements or bits are carried by each signal element, and how many signal elements do we need? Next question is, explain about bit rate, bit interval, baud rate and symbol rate. Next, explain amplitude shift keying modulation, and lastly, write its advantages and disadvantages. I think you all are capable of calculating as well as answering all these questions. Write your answers in comment section also. That's all for today's session. We will meet soon with new topic, that is FSK. Thank you for watching the video.